In this video, I will be showing you how to use Copilot Vision in Edge. Let's get started. I start by navigating to the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen and clicking on it. From the menu that pops up, I click on Microsoft Edge to open the web browser. Once Edge opens up on a fresh new tab page, I click into the main search bar in the middle of the screen to enter a web address. I type in mb.com.ph and hit enter to load the website. The browser brings up a quick security verification page. I wait a moment for it to complete, and then the page successfully redirects and loads the main website for the Manila Bulletin. I scroll down the homepage slightly to explore the content and locate an article that interests me. I find an article detailing a weather update about a typhoon and click directly on it to open it up. Once the article loads, I scroll down to look at the track and intensity forecast map image included in the post. I close out a small pop-up advertisement at the bottom right corner of the page to clean up the layout. Then, I scroll back up slightly to position the main article text and the image clearly on my screen. Next, I look towards the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge browser and click on the Copilot icon to launch the sidebar assistant. The Copilot panel opens on the right side of my screen. Inside the Copilot chat window, I see a button option labeled Create a Summary of this page. I click on this button to instruct Copilot to analyze the web page. I watch as the processing wheel spins, showing that Copilot is gathering the text and visuals. Copilot then begins generating a concise summary of the article's text, breaking down the essential details about the typhoon, its current status, and the affected areas, allowing me to digest the information quickly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.